Hi students, now I will explain about unbalanced assignment problem. This method is applicable when the number of jobs and the number of people are not equals, or the number of columns and row are not equals. Um, for this question, I reuse the question that we have discussed before, but with a bit modification, which is we have 4 engineers and 3 project A, B, and C. Now we can see that the number of engineer 4, which is greater than the number of project, which is 3. Okay, since the number of row and column are not equals, 4 and 3, the first step what we need to do is we need to introduce a dummy column. This is the dummy column, which is all the entries are 0. And then the second step is we do the row subtraction. The row subtraction is obtained by look at the first row, which is Muhammad. For this row, the lowest value is 0. So 0 minus 8 minus 9 minus 9, we have 9, 9, 8, 0. And the second row for Nur, the lowest value is 0. So 0 minus 7 minus 8 minus 7, we have 7, 8, 7, 0. And we apply the same procedure for Ong and Parvin. Then we complete the row subtraction. Basically, when we introduce a dummy column, the row subtraction will be the original value. Okay, the next step is we calculate the column subtraction, which is we refer to the row subtraction. The first column for project A, the minimum value for column project A is 7. So 7 minus 9 minus 7 minus 11 minus 10, we will get 2043. And the second column for project B, the lowest value is 8. 8 minus 9 minus 8 minus 13 minus 12, we will have 1054. And the third column, the lowest is 7. 7 minus 8 minus 7 minus 9 minus 8, we will have 1021. And then the next column is a dummy. And from that, we can start to determine whether our table, our solution is optimal or not. Okay, now if we observe here, the next step is we need to construct minimum lines that cover all the zeros. Okay, the first line and the second line. Okay, now the number of minimum lines that we have is 2, which is not equals with the number of rows, which is 4. Since they are not equal, our solution is not optimal. Then we need to do the next step, which is we subtract the smallest uncovered number, in this case is 1, from every uncovered numbers. Okay, I show you how. Okay, the uncovered number is 2, 1, 1, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3. The uncovered numbers with the line. Okay, so among all the uncovered numbers, we choose the smallest value. Doesn't matter project B or project C, they are equal, which is 1 is the smallest, and the value of 1 we subtract with all the uncovered numbers. So 1 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 4 is 3, 1 minus 5 is 4, 1 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 3 is 2, 1 minus 4 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, we have done this part, and we need to add the smallest value, which is this one, to the intersections of the line. Intersection here is 1. Intersection, the junction. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then the rest of the values, we just need to copy them. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now we can test again the optimality of our table, which is we need to draw a straight line that covers all the zeros. Now, if you observe here, I have 5 lines, which is this is not optimal line because we can draw actually 4 lines only. Okay, now after I draw again the lines, I have 4 lines, which is this is the number, the minimum lines, which is 4, and 4 is equal to the number of rows or column, which is also 4. Thus, our solution is optimal. Okay, since the solution is optimal, we can start to do the feasible assignment, allocate the assignment to each the engineers. Okay, now we go with the first person on which project should be allocated to on. Okay, on, if we look here, will be assigned to dummy, which is dummy column will be ignored, meaning that on is eliminated. There is no project will be assigned to on. And the second one, we look at Parvin. For Parvin, we ignore the dummy column, meaning that look at the 0 value here. For Parvin, we will assign project C. And for Muhammad, either B or C. C already given to Parvin, meaning that Muhammad will be assigned project B. And Nur, B already given to Muhammad, and C already given to Parvin. So Nur is available to proceed with project A. Okay, I forgot to mention that the assignment is based on the 0 values in the for all the entries. Okay, now how many numbers of days? Okay, Muhammad is project B. We look at the origin table. Project B for Muhammad is 9 days. And Nur project A, which is 7 days. And Parveen project C, which is 8 days. So, the total time in days is 9 plus 7 plus 8 is 24 days. This is our solution for this question. Thank you.